Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by powering the laptop off and unplugging. Remove the battery if it's user removable to avoid shorts. Use 70-90% isopropyl alcohol and a lint-free microfiber cloth because alcohol evaporates fast and won't damage coatings. Hold the laptop at a slight angle, then use short bursts of compressed air to dislodge loose dust. Keep the can upright to avoid propellant. Once the big particles are gone, gently brush the seams and ports to prepare for targeted wiping and deeper cleaning steps. You'll tackle the keyboard and trackpad next because grime hides between keys and around edges. Angle the laptop at about 45 degrees and use compressed air in 1-2-second bursts to push debris out. Make sure to move across rows. Slightly dampen the microfiber with alcohol, never drip, and wipe keys and the trackpad in controlled strokes to remove oils and fingerprints. For ports and speaker grills, use a cotton swab damp with alcohol. Be careful not to force fibers into openings and keep movements gentle. You finish by letting the laptop air dry completely for 5 to 15 minutes so residual alcohol evaporates. Then reinsert the battery, plug in, and power on to test keys, trackpad, screen, cameras, and ports. If something feels off, sticky keys or residue, power down, remove the offending keycap carefully and clean underneath, or repeat the damp wipe and dry cycle. If electronics exhibit unusual behavior or moisture seem to enter, stop and contact professional service to avoid further damage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.